Hey everybody, and welcome to our June Trackunit product roadmap update. I'm Martin Roath, Director of Product Marketing here at Trackunit. I'm here with SVP of Product, Dave Swan. And welcome to this month's update. Nice to see you again, Dave. How are you doing?
Awesome. How are you doing, Martin?
I'm excellent. I'm excited to hit the top three things for what's new now and next this month. So let's kick it off and talk about what's new. So when we're talking about what's new, Dave, we've got something coming forward right now that was launched in May, and it was pretty exciting. It had to do with an industry partner that some of you may have heard of in the market called Cummins. And Cummins has taken advantage of our Trackunit marketplace and our ecosystem to work with us and partner with us on an integration that helps them. And I'd love for you to tell us more about what is that all about? What is the solution we've done, and how is it benefiting everybody?
Yes, this is an incredible moment for us, and this is one of the largest manufacturers in the world of industrial engines, taking advantage of the Trackunit ecosystem and the service that we provide fleet owners to distribute their insights and eliminate downtime. So this is Cummins putting an app into the Trackunit marketplace that allows fleet owners running machines with Cummins engines the ability to basically shortcut to resolution. And this means being able to understand what the recommended actions are right from the Cummins Insight engine and having that insight distributed through the Trackunit ecosystem. So a super powerful product from one of the biggest players in the industry. And it's a really wonderful thing for our customers to have as part of our ecosystem.
Absolutely. So we've had a lot of clicks on that. In fact, that's the number one downloaded marketplace app since we've launched it. So that's a really good sign, and excited to see where that goes for everybody. So Dave, next thing here is a feature that was kind of packaged in with our new Trackunit Raw TU700 IoT device launch, and it is called Modbus. And although that's a technical term, today I'd like to unpack what value that brings to the industry. So why is Modbus important to our customers, and what is this going to do for people as they take advantage of that new feature?
So we talked a lot with the launch of the TU700 about its ability to deeply integrate with construction machinery. And there's a subset of the construction sort of off-highway equipment sector, which is called specialty equipment. And these are critical pieces of equipment like generators and pumps. And what makes them different in one way is that they communicate a little bit differently. They use a different language in their communication protocol. And that means that you really have to understand that language to be able to connect digitally and provide those insights to the fleet runners. And this is especially important because these machines are used for infrastructure support, and it's absolutely critical to know when they're up and when they're down and what they're doing from an activity standpoint for remote access. And it's a pretty big deal because this represents as much as 20% of the construction rental population of machinery.
Yeah, so that new language is certainly unlocking a lot of new digital capabilities. So we look forward to tapping into that. And I think for this, since we're working on it now, that it's important if you're a customer to reach out to your rep and just explore any gaps in coverage you might have on your fleet so that you can move forward and take advantage of this. So let's now talk about what is coming down the pipeline next. So next for Trackunit is something, Dave, that hinges on and piggybacks with our access management solution. And we continue to iterate on building that out. And one of the important functions that we're building out is called pre-checks that exist within our Trackunit On solution and manager platform. So let's get into what this is going to do to help round out the access management platform solution.
Yeah, so digitizing pre-checks is something that the construction industry has been focused on for a while. And this is basically the move from having sort of pen and paper safety pre-checks before machine usage to having digitized and more easily organized and trackable pre-checks done by operators before they operate a machine. And what's especially interesting about this solution that we're building is the ability to integrate it with access management and also associate it to machine usage. So now as a site operator, as a machine owner, it gives me a full picture of who was operating the machine, understanding if they were credentialed to operate the machine, if they were properly trained and certified to use it, and then as well if they've done their safety pre-checks. And this is really like a a crazy superpower to understand a full view of safety and compliance within my job site when I'm looking at pre-checks and training and machine operation and efficiency. And it really gives me that complete picture that allows me to manage towards a better state.
Yeah, and it's a critical piece of unlocking new on-site business process opportunities, new rental models, new ways of doing business, because it connects to so many of those and the ambitions that both contractors and rental companies have. So, well, I will thank everybody for their time again and listening in this month. And of course, just offer again, check out our portal. We're always looking for your feedback, and click on those comment cards if you have something you want to say. And in the meantime, if you have other questions, you can reach out to our reps or visit our website for more information. So thanks again for this month, Dave, and we'll see you again shortly. Take care.
Thank you, Martin.